Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fantastic summer 2025 wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, since this is not your personal reading, just leave it, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything. Love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Your high energy. First, we have, this is the Nine of Pentacles. You could be dealing or attracting a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. Others of you guys, I feel like this person viewed you as very confident and independent person. Of course you are. Because it could also be that you fulfilled a certain situation. This is related to your work, to your creativity. You are in this energy of the Nine of Pentacles because you did it alone without the help of other people. You are very confident and independent person. Not only that, you're looking good and you're doing good because you take good care of yourself. It could also that this person is adoring and admiring you because you are very passionate and driven. It could also be that these are the past people. A minimum of 9 people who are feeling entitled to your success, your legacy, your hard work. Could be a Virgo. Could also be a group of 9 people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. If this is a new person, they are working with their career, their financial matters. It could also be that this person wants to have a passionate relationship with you because they viewed you that you are so attractive and irresistible. Others of you, you are enjoying your freedom and you don't need this group of 9 people in the past because they are collaborating against you. Now they are feeling entitled with your legacy. A Virgo is involved here. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 999. You could be born in the 9th of the month or in 1999 or the person you are dealing with. Please pay attention. This is a completion, a release. You are no longer engaging your energy to them because you don't need them in your life. In fact, your life is better. You're doing good and you look so good, magnetic, attractive without this person or group of people. Could also that this is your ex or you are dealing or attracting a Virgo. Could also that this person is eyeing on your abundance. Especially if these are the past people. Be very mindful. If this is a new person, they wants to invest with you because they have seen that you are confident and independent person and you are very passionate and driven. Let me see. Your challenge here is, we have here 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the 5 of Pentacles. You could be dealing or attracting an earth sign. Could be a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart for some of you. Not necessarily, could also be a group of 5 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 555. It could also be that this is your birthday or your age, or you are dealing with this person. Number 5, number 50, 55 is significant in this reading. For some of you, it could also be that this is your age, or of course, this is the chains. This is related to your, financial matters, your relationship, your career. There could be a change here, or somebody here wants to invest with you. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Because your first card is also an earth sign, remember, Virgo. You look, for some of you guys, I feel like these are the group of 5 people in the past who are praying for your downfall, who are collaborating against you because they doesn't want you to succeed. Now they are feeling left out in the cold by you because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. You are no longer supporting them, especially financial support. In the past, they are only using and abusing you. A minimum of 5 years. A minimum of 9 years. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 9, 99, 555, 95, 59. You outshine them. Even though they tried to block or hinder your work, your financial success and stability, your legacy, because of jealousy and envy. These are the people who pretend that they are your friends, your families, your allies, your co-workers, your neighbors, but the truth are not. They doesn't want you to succeed, and that's why they are collaborating against you. Now you outshine them because you are in this energy of the 9 of Pentacles. You did it alone without them. And the fact is that you don't need them in your life anymore because you did it alone. Your life is better without them. You look good, you smell good, you're doing good. You have an assured success here. And that's why you don't need them. They are feeling rejected by you because you outshine them. Because these are all their wishes on you. Because they are praying for your downfall. A minimum of 5 people, a minimum of 9 people, or you are dealing and attracting an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and somebody who wants to invest with you. And your finances is going to change. Others of you, you are no longer in this energy of poverty consciousness. If you are still in this energy of poverty consciousness, the universe advises you to eradicate this negative thinking. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and this is your challenge. The 5 of Pentacles. This is normally a Capricorn and Virgo. Not necessary, could also be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is, we have here, oh my gosh, the 9 of Swords. This is a Gemini energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart for some of you. Could also be that somebody here is, having a nightmares. They couldn't sleep. They couldn't stop thinking over you. They couldn't get you out of their mind. For whatever reason, especially if these are the past people, a minimum of 9 people, I feel like they backstab you with the 9 of Swords. And that's why their guilt eating them alive. They have stress and anxiety because you have success here. You did it alone without them. And that's why they couldn't believe. Despite of what they have done on you in the past, they backstab you with the 9 of Swords. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. For some of these people, guys, they're spreading lies and rumors about you. They bully you, they mob you, and they engage you to a third-party situation. And now they couldn't sleep because their guilt eating them alive. You are the worst nightmare. Others of you, you have learned your lesson from this person. Could be a Gemini or a group of 9 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 999. You look, your first card is 9 of Pentacles. And 9 of Swords. You could be dealing or attracting as well an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also be a collaboration, a group of 9 people who are now having nightmares because of what you have done on you in the past. I don't know what you have done on you. They cause you too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And I fully understand if you cut them up out of your life. Now, they couldn't sleep. If this is a new person, they couldn't get you out of their mind. Because they're strongly attracted on you. They want to offer you something, but they viewed you that you don't need them in your life because you can do it alone without them. You are in this energy of the 9 of Pentacles. You are enjoying your freedom. You don't need, they view you that you don't need the help of other people. And that's why they have stress and anxiety because they want to invest with you if this is a new person. Others of you, you have learned your lesson from this group of 9 people. They have nightmares because you have success and you do it alone. An air sign or an earth sign is involved here. Let me see the past situation is, this is the 2 of Pentacles. Somebody is juggling. Somebody is struggling. Could also that they are juggling with their relationship, with their financial matters, because I feel like these are their wishes on you. I told you. They viewed you that you are balanced or you have balance. Could also that this person is struggling with their career, with their financial matters, with their relationship, because these are all their wishes on you. And that's why, since it backfires on them, they couldn't sleep. Their guilt eating them alive. This is the part of their karma. I told you. While you have lots of golden opportunities, you are in this energy of the 9 of Pentacles. And there are people who wants to invest with you. You look, there is a change here of your financial matters. And that's why they are struggling. They have an internal struggle. Or it could also be that in the past, they caused you too much internal struggle because they tried to hinder your work. You have financial success, your legacy, because of jealousy and envy. An earth sign is involved. Normally, this is a Capricorn. Could also be any other sign. Or could also be a couple or a group of 2 people who is now juggling the relationship and their financial matters. Because these are all their wishes on you and it backfires on them. Let me see. The present energy is, I told you, the 6 of Wands. In your last reading, it was also come out. This is your success and recognition. You are being recognized here without the support of the past people, because the universe give you people who are supporting you. These are your like-minded people, your soul family and soul tribes. There are lots of people who wants to see you win. These are your family, soul family and soul tribes. Only 6 people who doesn't want you to see you win, because these are your frenemies, haters. A Leo is involved here, or a group of 6 people involves a Leo. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye, or you are in the public eye and they wants to have your spotlight, or both of you are in the public eye. Somebody here could also be attention seeker, or they wants to have your attention, because in the past they are not reciprocating your value. In fact, you look, in the past, they viewed you that you are nothing, that you cannot create anything. The 5 of Pentacles. Now, they are craving your attention. Could also that these are the past people. If this is a new person, I feel like this person recognized you already and they wants to win over you. Could be a Leo. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Because these are the cards come out here. And congratulations, because you have her success and recognition. Let me see. The future here is, this is the 10 of Pentacles. I told you. This is your abundance. It could also that you are going to inherit a windfall or lump sum of money. For some of you guys, this is related to your ancestral blessings that can be passed to the next generation. It could also be that this is a windfall or lump sum of money. This could also be related to your legacy. Could also be an early retirement. If you have no idea, this is not your reading. This is not your energy. If you don't have no idea about a windfall or lump sum of money, because it is impossible that you are going to receive a windfall or lump sum of money without, just like the windfall or lump sum of money is dropping on your lap. If you have no idea, this is not your energy. Just keep it. But this is a windfall or lump sum of money. For some of you, this is related to your abundance. I never say abundance is all about money. It could also be related to your energy. This is related to your family. You could also be satisfied with what you have, and that's why your life is abundance. Or this person is feeling entitled to your legacy, your financial success and stability, or this person needs your support. Could be a Virgo. Could also that these are the past people. Be very mindful. For some of you guys, you already closed the cycle because you are tired and sick with a BS. Because in the past, they're praying for your downfall and they backstab you with the 9 of Swords. They did black magic, cast spells, money spells, everything because of jealousy and envy. Now they are feeling entitled to your legacy. A Virgo is involved here, or a group of 10 people. Let me see. Your attitude is the Magician. Of course you are. You are very powerful. You are too strong. And for some of you guys, everything what you are manifesting is in front of you. All you need to do is to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust in yourself and the Divine Most High. You are here supported with the air, earth, water, fire. This is your energy. You can manifest whatever you want. And everything is in front of you. There are people who view you that you are a magical person. For some people view you that you did magic with your life. But no, this is your energy. Somebody here wants to communicate with you. Be very mindful, especially if these are the past people. Because a magician could also be a trickery. This person could be Virgo or Gemini. Or you have Gemini or Virgo in your birth chart for some of you. Let me see. The outside influence here is the Page of Cups. Somebody from the past will return to apologize with you and if possible to reconcile with you. Could be a Pisces or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be a water sign. I don't know your whole story, but forgiveness is important here. I couldn't recommend you with reconciliation because I don't know what is going on with you between this person. Others of you guys, I feel like this is your energy. You'll learn to love yourself unconditionally because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. You are going to receive her spiritual downloads, psychic messages. You are advised her to listen to your inner voice, especially the person in the past who is going to return. Don't ignore your gut instinct. Could also be that this is your crush or your admirer is going to inspire or to support you. Or these are the past people who is now awakened and they want to say, hey Scorpio, we're going to support you. Be very mindful of the past people and listen to your intuition. Okay? A Pisces is involved here or any other sign. Let me see. But also that this person is younger than you or you are younger than this person. Your hopes and fears is the Page of Swords. This is the truth. This is your breakthrough, your breakthrough, and your aha moment because you stand in your higher self. You stand with the truth. It could also that you are going to receive a decision from the court. You look, there could be a correlation with this windfall or lump sum of money. And this is in your favor, especially if you are on the right path. Somebody here wants to communicate with you. There are lots of people who wants to communicate with you. Virgo, Gemini, an air sign, Aquarius, and an earth sign, a water sign, a fire sign. Because you have her success and recognition. Now there are people who wants to return. They wants to return because they have seen your potential, your recognition, your success. Could also be that somebody here wants you to sign a contract. This is related to you, to a new project, a new ideas, or a new perspective. Or somebody here wants to tell you the truth. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For some of you, this is your assured success. Congratulations. Let me see. The outcome of this reading is, this is the Ace of Wands. You could be dealing or attracting a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, not necessary. Could also that this person wants to have a passionate relationship with you. For some of you guys, you have a new beginning of creative spark. It could also that somebody wants to offer you this, and this offers will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. For some of you, it could also that this person wants to invest with you, or this person is strongly attracted on you. Be very mindful, because this could also be an adventure, not a real deal. Others of you guys, this is an advice from the Divine Most High to take an action to awaken or ignite your passion, to bring your dreams into a reality and align with your passion. This could also be your lucky breaks. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why the Six of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more about the Six of Wands in this reading. It is clarified as this person is manifesting you in their lives. Could be a Leo or a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Clarify me, Father. Why the Nine of Pentacles, sir, please? Why the Nine of Pentacles in this reading? It is clarified as I told you. You look, this person is having a dark energy. Could also be that they engage you to a cast spells, black magic, witchcraft, voodoo, and now it backfires on them. And they couldn't believe that you did it alone without them. Could be a Virgo. You look at the face of this person. They are so exhausted. They are so dark. They need healing. The peace that you have, success and recognition. And aside from that, you are in this energy of the Nine of, oh my gosh, I cannot pick it. The Nine of Pentacles. You look, could be a Virgo. You look at the face of this person. So mad, so terrible. This person could be toxic, narcissist. Now this person having a mental disorder because they couldn't imagine why Scorpio bounced back as the Nine of Pentacles. Because all their wishes on you in the past is to be in the Five of Pentacles. That you have nothing, you have no money, you have no work, you have no house, you have no food. That you're like a beggar on the street. And you outshine them. And you bounce back as the Nine of Pentacles. And you have here the Six of Wands. And that's why you look at the face of this person. Could be a Virgo. Or you have a Virgo in your birth chart for some of you. Could also that this person is a drug addict, having a mental disorder, or because of their jealousy and envy on you. That's, you look at the face. Oh my gosh, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Could be a Virgo. Clarify me, Father. Why the, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father. Why the Two of Pentacles, sir, please? Tell me more about the Two of Pentacles, sir, please. It is clarified as, you look, this person wants to block your third eye chakra. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. And now, you look, they are the one who is struggling and juggling. Could also be a couple. This is the clarification of the Two of Pentacles, which is the challenge in this reading. In the past, they tried to confuse you by blocking your third eye chakra. Now they are the one who is confused. And in fact, they are juggling their money and their financial matters. Because it backfires on them. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Wands in this reading? Tell me more about the Ace of Wands, sir, please. Oh, you are ascended as a master. Could also be that you are advisor to communicate to the Divine Most High, to the universe, about your manifestations openly. This is related to your manifestations. This is related to your rewards because you passed the test. You are ascended as a master. Congratulations. It could also that this person is manifesting you in their lives. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They are strongly attracted on you. Could also be that they wants to trick you. They're very mindful. Because the Ace of Wands, they wants to have an adventure. Could be, oh my gosh, wherever you are, get lost. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father. Why the Five of Pentacles in this reading, please? Why the Five of Pentacles, sir, please? It is clarified as because the light is within you. And that's why they failed to mock you down. They are praying your downfall. But you are the lights, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why it backfires on them. Because for some of you guys, you could be a chosen one. Of course, not all of you. And you are enjoying what you have possessed in your life. You are not a kind of person who is very, unsatisfied with their lives. Could also be that this person or group of people are now enlightened of who you are. But in the past, they are praying your downfall. Now that you outshine them, I feel like they are feeling not enough. That's why they are feeling rejected and left out in the cold by you. Clarify me, Father. Why the, oh my gosh, why the Magician heart? Please tell me more. It is clarified as knowledge. I told you, you have everything under your control. You have knowledge, you have all the tools. All your manifestations will come true if you trust and believe yourself to use your knowledge, your passion, because you have all the tools. You are divinely supported here. You are wise enough because you are ascended as a master. Whatever you manifest, it's in front of you. But there are people who wants to gaslight you, to manipulate you, to trick you because they have seen your power, your knowledge, your vision like an owl. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. A Virgo and a Gemini is involved here. Clarify me, Father. Why the why the Page of Cups in this reading, please? It is clarified as galactical healer. You could be a galactical healer. You could be a healer. And this is your birthright. And that's why this person viewed you that you can forgive them. That's why they wants to return, to apologize, and if possible, to reconcile with them. It could also, this is a new person. And they viewed you as a healer. And they are feeling inspired by you. And they wants to offer you a cup of love. Could also that this is your cross or your admirer. You could be a galactical healer. And this could be your mission to this world. Of course, not all of you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Clarify me, Father. Why the 10 of Pentacles, please? It is clarified as, I told you, you look, they are now in the crossroads because their cast spells, love spells, black magic backfires on them, and your divine ancestors have seen what they have done on you. Now they are in the crossroads. They have, a foggy vision. They doesn't know what to do. They doesn't know. They are confused. Why Scorpio become a healer? Why does Scorpio become the 9 of Pentacles? Why Scorpio become the 6 of Wands and the Ace of Swords? Why everything Scorpio? Why Scorpio got everything? Why? Because you did this to somebody else who is innocent. Because of your jealousy and envy. Go and heal yourself. Instead of creating a misery to other people and hurting them, blocking their work, their career, their financial success, and stability, their love life, because it will backfires on you, whoever you are. We are interconnectedness. Whatever negative energy you send to somebody else will backfires on you. Remember that. Go and heal yourself, whoever you are. Could be a Virgo, because this is the clarification of the Ten of Pentacles. They are also could be engaging you to black magic, witchcraft, because they doesn't want you to succeed. Now your divine ancestors are pissed with this person or group of people. That's why you look, somebody here is, you look at the face of this person. This is also the energy of Virgo, the Nine of Pentacles. And this is the clarification of the Ten of Pentacles. They are in the crossroads. They doesn't know what to do. You look at this, the face of this person. So dark. Go and heal yourself, people, instead of creating chaos to other people. And that's what is your karma. Clarify me, Father. Why the... What I already clarified. Why the... Why the Nine of Pentacles here again? Clarify me, please, the Nine of Pentacles. It is clarified as, you look at this person. They tried to block your third eye chakra. But you are the light. You already ascended as a master because of what they have done on you. You look. They couldn't believe. This person is distorted. Because this is one of their wishes, that you will be blindfolded. You look at, they are targeting your eyes. Now that you are in this energy of the Nine of Pentacles, they couldn't do it anymore. And you know what? What's worse is that it backfires on them. They are now who is distorted. They look like crazy. This is all more on Virgo energy. You can also say that you are dealing with a Virgo in the past. They are so hatred, so hateful. Oh my gosh. However you are, go and heal yourself. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.